Hey guys, sorry I didn't do a video in the last couple of days. I've been at the caravan. I went to this caravan on Sunday, came back on Tuesday, didn't get any out then, didn't get any out yesterday or Monday. I've just been really, I don't know, grumpy. So, we're just going to go up in my room here. We're upstairs. And I got this. It's a 75 foot shooting Connect gun. It doesn't break, it's really strong, and yeah. Yeah, sorry guys, I don't have my hair up today. I'm really stupid. But first of all, before we go out with the gun, sorry about that, guys. That was my friend. He just fell down the stairs. Guys, but he's alright, aren't he?
Yep.
Alright. So guys, here's your man, go get the gun. Here, and get the other bullets too.
Okay.
If you can find it. That's my friend. And please don't fall again! Let's get my shoes on, guys. Yeah, guys, they take risks. I'm always, sometimes I do vlogs where I have my shoes on and stuff like that, but there he is. Alright, thanks.
It was strange. Will I open the door for Christmas?
Nah, because like we're going out there now to shoot 70 feet bullets. A flipping 70 feet flipping breakable like gun that you can break and rebuild.
Sure, I need to tell you something. Are you just gonna try to get the bullet, or like what about this? I go like down in there and then you just like not get the aim at me.
Like you can go down and film.
Like I can just go down and shoot the bullets that you don't film me.
No, I'll give the camera to you, but you hold it like. Nah, I'll show you when we get out there.
Yeah.
I'll have to show them when we get out there,
It's
guys.
a surprise. And
Oh my god, right. Here, this video is just especially for Liverpool fans. Oh, by the way, my friend. Shut up! Sorry about that, guys. My friend's not on YouTube, but it was only your legs anyway, yeah.
Yeah.
So it doesn't matter. It's only his legs, guys. Don't complain about that. Right, guys. This video will be based on that gun, but then after that, we're going to go and do other things. But yeah, it's probably just going to be gun testing.
it's going to be quite hard. Scared to get over there with the camera like that.
Right, Jack, if you like to carry the gun out. Right, so I guess we're going to
Only
head out there
Liverpool
now.
fans are allowed in your house, right, Stuart?
Take your shit. I know. Move.
We're going outside Christmas.
Everyone move. Right. They're all my sister's friends. So,
Do you like Liverpool? Yes or no?
then why you not? Give me one.
Why are you not wearing like one of like that? Like a t-shirt, like a football t-shirt.
Right.
A football t-shirt.
Right, guys. Got the gun loaded. Here we are. Got it. Right, Jack, I'm going to show you how to hold this camera. Come on down here. Okay, by the way,
Am I going to be shooting?
try not to get in the thing.
Am I going to be shooting the bullet?
Yes, but the only thing after the video, you'll get to shoot after the video.
Okay, that's okay. Start.
I'm gonna let my friend shoot after the video because he's not allowed on YouTube. You see.
And Christopher, he'll get his turn. Will I?
Aye, right. Here, come you behind. Right, I want you to hold it.
Okay. Do I just put this in your pocket?
Right.
So that will get me.
Look. I'm gonna.
Like
I,
that?
wa- I want you to hold the camera like that, so then, right? Right, guys, let's do it. Wait, hang on.
How do I gonna hold it? How do you hold it?
Just like that there.
Like this?
Right, hopefully you guys can see me. Sorry, you can't see me. So, got the gun loaded, ready to fire. Here it is. Okay, Jack, show them where the bullet landed. Okay, guys, I shot there from way up there at the car, and it landed right here.
And you trying to
Yeah.
land at me.
Yeah, I
Don't-
tried to land it beside I tried to land it beside Jack, but didn't work.
Now that we'll try another bullet.
Aye. So we're gonna try again up the drive, okay? Right, guys.
Again, beside Christopher's. We're gonna try to get beside Christopher's.
I'm gonna aim.
Nearly hit him. Another button. I forget it's in my another pocket.
Right, guys, just getting the bullet. Oh, there it is. That's just in the wrong way. Oh, what the?
Did that go in my pocket, the orange thing?
Dude. Right, guys.
So that might fall out.
Oops.
Instead of them
Right, guys. We're gonna have to. Here, guys. Here, can get the camera now. Right. So, get the bullet, sir. Here, take the gun, Jack. You're taking the gun.
No, you.
Yeah, you're taking the bullets. Right.
I'm sensible with the gun right start.
Yeah, but you're not selling the flipping bullets. You can rip this.
I know.
Right, guys, we're going back inside now.
So there's not over.
Yeah, if obviously Christopher's. Right, guys, I'm gonna have to close this off. Right, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video if you enjoyed it. Please press that thumbs up. Peace out.